Today we are going to be making a delicious s'mores dip with only 3 ingredients. And when I tell you this is easy, I mean it. This is so easy. Hi, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. Now you probably already know, but the 3 ingredients that we're going to be using today are marshmallows, and I like the mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, and make sure that they are the milk chocolate chips. And of course, some graham crackers, because this is what we're going to be dipping into our s'mores dip with. I am going to be making a 1 or 2 person serving, so I am going to use a small 5-inch cast iron skillet. And the best part about this recipe is you can easily customize it to fit any size baking container to feed any size group of people. It's really, really simple. Now, I do like to use cast iron for this recipe. You can put it in a glass or ceramic baking dish as long as it is oven safe. But for some reason, I feel like everything, especially the chocolate, melts a lot better in a cast iron skillet. We're going to start with our chocolate chips. And you want enough chocolate chips to cover the base. So that's why I mean this recipe is completely customizable, because you just cover the base of your container. And now we're going to do the same with our marshmallows. We want enough marshmallows to cover those chocolate chips. That looks good. We're going to bake at 450 degrees, and with my small 5-inch cast iron skillet, I'm going to only bake it for about 3 to 4 minutes. But with the larger, say a 12-inch skillet, you'd probably want to bake for about 7 to 10 minutes. The most important thing is just to make sure that that chocolate is melted. The marshmallows will brown nicely in the oven, so you don't have to worry about that. And our delicious s'mores dip is all ready. That pan is nice and hot. And just look at how pretty that is, still with the nicely browned marshmallows. Oh, yummy. All that's left, really, I guess I have to, is to dig in. That was a really big bite for camera. It is so good. I love s'mores, but I hate the mess of s'mores. Plus, the chocolate never seems to melt right. So, this is the perfect alternative. This is so good, you guys. You definitely need to try it. And if you wanted to, you could even mix in some peanut butter chips in with the chocolate chips to give you that Reese's peanut butter cup s'more that I know is super popular as well. Make sure to stop by my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com, where I have lots of free tutorials to share with you. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody, and happy crafting.